Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Guys, this roof membrane was very damaged. We had a lots of water leaks all over the place. The RV was all soaking wet. The roof membrane up on top, the previous owner had painted, but it was not sealing, and the water was getting inside and making a lot of damages. So we came for vacation and rip it off the everything up on top of the roof. When you do a job like that, you have to take it out the sidings, the warning lights. We took it out the vents, the glasses, the clear glass of the bathroom, the fans, the antenna. You have to remove everything. In addition, the old roof membrane, we were able to take it off some parts, not everything, because it was so well glued. But what we did was we resurface again with a 1/4 inch plywood. One advice that I give to you guys, I did not use it water treated plywood. So it's good that you can use plywood that if it in case your roof membrane in the future gets rip it off or something like that, you have a plywood that is not gonna get damaged with water. Another thing that we use it to glue the plywood, we use nails, and was more, not too much nails, but was much more liquid nails, because what I did into the edges, I screwed a L-shape aluminum to make sure that the thing was not gonna fly away when the thing was driving 60-70 miles per hour on the highway, I know that putting the AC, the vents, the fans, and all the other stuff that goes up on top was gonna help to hold, but I rather go to the safe side and use the aluminum. A job like that, it will cost you around, for us it did cost with the roof membrane, and right under the description here you can go ahead and buy it. Okay, I put some items that you can buy to do that type of job. You just click on that. It's reasonable, and it's gonna cost you around $1,000 to do to with the with all the material. You can find the list on the description. It's a lot of work. It seems to be very easy. I don't have videos that I am doing it itself. I only had saved those pictures, and I decided to do a video and talking about. So you guys can please subscribe into our channel, and we will have a lots of good other videos doing this big project. This RV was sitting under the tree, was not driving too much, was a lot of water damage there, so there was a lot of problems that we are fixing and making better and remodeling a little bit too. Okay, I see you guys next time. Take care.